welcome back. In the last episode, we left with a question. Baha'u'llah has come with this awesome mission to unite the whole world like one loving family. So, what can we do individually to play our part to build a better world? One of the things that Baha'u'llah counsels us to do is to completely wash ourselves from all prejudice. In the past, we've seen one tribe fighting with another, we've seen a village at war with another, a country at war with another, we've seen a religion at war with another, we've seen people of different skin color at war with one another. We have seen one gender dominating the other. In the previous episodes, we discussed how we all are created by the one same God and how all of these different manifestations, Krishna Ji, Buddha, Zoroaster, Moses, Christ, Prophet Muhammad, Baha'u'llah, are like sun rising from time to time to enlighten us. Baha'u'llah now asks us to cleanse ourselves from all prejudice. He counsels us to not divide people on the basis of race, color, gender, nationality, or whatever. In the writings of Baha'u'llah, he says that, don't you know why we created you all from the same dust? So that no one should exalt himself over the other. It is not for him to pride himself who loveth his own country, but rather for him who loveth the whole world. The earth is but one country, and mankind its citizens. Coming back to our initial question, if we want to build a better world, we must regard all humanity as one family. Because truly, if we trace back, we do belong to the one same human family. We must walk away from all that divides humanity and we must firmly hold onto that which unites us. Next time we are on social media, we are watching news, we are out in the market, and if we don't criticize one particular religion, one nationality, one gender, we've succeeded in taking a step towards a better world. Alright guys, thanks a lot for the 2 minutes of your time. I hope this was informative. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section or Facebook me.